Let's transition to sports. Picture a group of players kicking a ball across a field. Zuqiu is one of the world's most popular sports, whereas Zu means foot and Qiu means ball, literally football. Writing wise, Zu or foot character visually resembles a stepping foot, while Qiu or ball character includes the jade radical, representing something polished and round. 我喜欢踢足球. I like playing football. 足球 means football. Imagine the balance and stability your big toe provides. 足大指 is the largest toe on your foot, whereas 足 means foot, 大 means big, and 指 means finger or toe. Writing wise, 足 or foot character resembles a stepping foot. Ta or big character conveys size, and ch finger or toe character includes hand radical symbolizing movement. 我的足大指受伤了. My big toe is injured. 足大指 means big. Imagine the feeling of contentment after achieving something. Matsu represents satisfaction and fulfillment, whereas man means full or complete, and zu means foot, symbolizing reaching the goal. Writing wise, man or full character contains water radical signifying abundance, while zu or foot character resembles motion and completion. 我对这次旅行感到满足. I feel satisfied with this trip. 满足 means satisfied. Imagine falling short of a goal. 不足 represent a lack or deficiency, whereas 不 means not and 足 means sufficient. Writing wise, 不 or not is a simple negation character, while 足 or sufficient character resembles a stepping foot, symbolizing movement or completion. 他的经验还不足. His experience is still insufficient. 不足 means insufficient. Now picture a group of players working together. 球队 refers to a sports team, while 球 means ball and 队 means group or team. Writing wise, 球 or ball character retains the jade radical, symbolizing a polished sphere, while 队 or team character includes run or person radical, representing a group. 我们的球队今天比赛. Our team has a game today. 球队 means team.